Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a completely different type of video from what you're used to. It's gonna be a haul. I mean, if you already seen the title, you already know what it's about, but it's something that I haven't done, and I'm really excited to start doing some of these in my channel. So yeah, like, if you can't tell, this is a different background and everything because we just recently bought a house, or like a mobile home. And so we just moved. This is my new office slash glam room, and yeah, I haven't finished everything, so that's why the shelf behind me is completely empty. But this is gonna be the new recording area, kind of, for the most part. But yeah, I'm excited. So I just went to Dollar Tree. I bought a bunch of stuff for the house that we don't have yet and we needed. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do a haul about, pretty much. And yeah, if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Needed like bins and things to organize the pantry and dishes and stuff like that. So I picked up a couple of these plastic bins for like school supplies, but I'm gonna use them in the pantry probably, or maybe to organize my son's sippy cups and stuff like that. And that's a good idea too. I got two of them and they're clear, so it makes it even better. You can see through it and all that. And I got another bin. It's pretty big and it fits a lot of stuff. So and it's white. I was trying to find a lot of white stuff. They have like a lot of colors, but I really just wanted white, so it'll be something neutral. And especially since the fall is coming, I don't want to get like a bright pink, green and stuff like that because it doesn't go with the seasons. And so yeah, I just wanted white for now. And also picked up this little oil dispenser. They have other ones labeled and then others that are like not labeled at all, but I like this one for the oil. Next up is this apple cutter thing, apple core. Yeah, I do like apple, or like I love apples, especially taken for lunch. Like I do this with a little dip, caramel for a dip. So I really needed one of these. I wanted to get it the other day, but I didn't, so now I got it. Another thing was this plastic bin. I don't know what I might use it for yet, but you can always use bins for storing. You can use it for store food or just organizing things. Probably to organize something though. I'm not sure what yet though. And then I also got a Rice Krispies because I was hungry and I wanted a snack, but I didn't need it. I also got one of these containers, probably for, I think I'm gonna use this for sugar, and I'm gonna label it and all that because I have a container for flour already, but this is for sugar. This one I can't use it for sugar because I don't use as much sugar as I would flour, and the flour container is bigger. I also got some of these lock top snack containers, so I don't have too many plastic containers yet, and I really needed some for just random things. And this one's a pack of 3 for $1, so it's a good buy. Another thing that we definitely needed was this salt and pepper shaker, which I just remembered. Totally forgot to buy pepper, but I have salt. So once I get the pepper, I'll be able to fill both of them up. But it's the glass. They had the plastic ones too, but I think I like this one because it's glass and the little silver top. It's cute. Then dishware, or like utensils, I got this Betty Crocker peeler for the apples, potatoes, whatever I need it for. I know I can always use one of these. And then of course a pizza cutter, because I was planning on having pizza one of these days for dinner during the week. And I'm gonna just buy one of those like DiGiorno frozen or something pizzas, and I needed one of them. These next two items aren't home like cookware and stuff, but they're still for the house. This is like the outlet plugs. My son is only 3 years old. I mean, he is older now, but he still likes to stick things or like plug things in. So I know for sure we needed some of these. Next is the silver wire LED lights. I had them before and I really like them. So I wanted to do this so I can decorate either this room or our master room and put them around the windows. make it more like relaxing at night. It looks nice at night when these are on, and it's like dark and just these, so it looks really nice. I got a lot of kitchen stuff, I know, as you can tell. Then next up is this Sure Fresh Professional. It's a container and a lid. This kind of, I think, we can just use for like leftover pasta or I don't know, and it's microwavable safe. So you can microwave, freeze it, and dishwasher safe. So that is awesome. Yeah, probably just to store leftovers or take over to a party, a lot of salsa dip or something would be perfect for that. And then tonight we're having pasta, so I needed a drainer. It's not as big as I would like, but it'll do for today. And I mean, it's just gonna be me, my husband, and my son that live here. So I think this is a big enough size for us three. And of course, to organize the fridge or the pantry, I got 2 of these. There's a dish pan, but I'm gonna use it for like boxes, you know, like pancake mix or a cake mix or mashed potato, whatever like I can find, or cans even, to put it here, just to keep it a little organized, and rather than have everything scattered in the pantry and the fridge. I like these for that. Then I also got one of these baby bottle washers, the brush, because they're perfect for washing bottles and cups and like mugs and stuff like that. This is perfect for that, and it has also the little tip, because my son still has some little sippy cups that have that, so that I need that for that too. And then you know how they have like kitchen mittens and all that stuff. I bought the little washcloth or the kitchen towel with the mitt and the pot holders. They're all this cool like wine theme. So it's pretty cool. And I really like, this is like a dark red maroon color, and that's one of my favorite colors. So aside from pink, but they don't have anything real pink. So this is my next favorite. And then got some trash cans because I'm gonna use this for like the restroom, because we don't have a whole lot of things yet. So I bought one for my guest bathroom, then our master bath. But the master bath I got white, and then the guest is black, but the white one's already put up. I did go a little crazy on this. I bought a whole lot of things, so sorry if this is a longer video than usual. Next up, I got some more Sure Fresh reusable containers, and they're, again, this is microwavable, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Just 2 for like salsas or dips, whatever leftovers we might need to put up. I got some of these little ones. Then I think this is the last kitchen thing. It's a cheese grater or whatever grater. I needed one the other day, but I didn't have it, and this one is pretty good. It's big and it seems sturdy. Hopefully it just doesn't rust fast, but I mean, it was $1, so. Then I also got another trash can for this room, for my glam room, and this one I don't mind it being pink because it's my room and it's gonna have a lot of pink. I might actually even paint it pink at one point, maybe. I'm not sure, because it's like a beige color right now, or if anything I might paint it white, but it's gonna be girly for sure, so pink is okay in here. And then also got some toothpaste, because we need a toothpaste, and this like smelly Sure Sense Angel Blossom smelly things for the restroom. Alright, so last but not least, I got my dog. I have a new dog. I don't think y'all have seen my little one, but I have a little like, what is it, a mix of a Maltipoo. He's supposed to be a Maltipoo mix, something like that. But I also got, my parents gave me another dog, and he's bigger and taller and all that, so I got him a collar from Dollar Tree, and I thought I got him a leash too, but apparently it's a collar, so he has 2 collars now, and I have to go out and buy him a leash because he's big, and we definitely need a leash to control him, because he's not super, like, he doesn't do commands and all that pretty good yet. So yeah, we got to get him a leash to start him training and all that. And then I also got him and my 2 for 2 of them. Got him some Dental Life Daily Oral Care Dog Treats. And yeah, they look like that. Hopefully these are good, or they like them. And they are as good as they say. So yeah. Alright, so that's all the things I got from Dollar Tree. It is quite a lot. I think I ended up paying like $32 or $33 because I did get a whole lot of things. But I mean, it's we just moved in, so we do need quite a lot of things yet still. And we're still unpacking slowly but surely. This room is still a big mess. Not like a huge mess, but it's still, I have like boxes that are packed up still and all that need to get put away. And then my vanity doesn't have my lights and mirror up yet. But yeah, this is probably gonna be what you'll see from now on, maybe. You'll still see my vanity once I do makeup videos, but I'm gonna try and do more lifestyle and home videos, especially now that I have my own home. I can do like pantry organization and kitchen stuff, bathroom, everything that I want to do. And I'm gonna try to do like the organizing for the pantry, and I'm gonna do probably from Dollar Tree stuff and like maybe IKEA a little bit. But yeah, maybe I'll try and do some more videos like that more. If you like this video, I'll try and put up some more like that. So yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.